Today we're going to try the Sonic Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough Blast. Wow, that's a mouthful, isn't it? Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We're going to see if there's any Sonic Blast we haven't tried yet. I think we'll see. Drinks, burgers, we're in the app. Let's see, drinks. There we go. Slushes, lemonade drinks, soft drinks, coffee, other. No, I think it's under ice cream, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. Blast. Let's see, Oreo, peanut butter cup, M&M, Butterfinger, Snickers bar, chocolate chip cookie dough. We haven't tried that one yet. Let's see what it is. It says cookie dough pieces, vanilla ice cream. You can add bananas or strawberries. Don't think we're going to add anything this time. Let's just take it. Okay. Now, we'll go to the bag and it shows us we've got a medium chocolate chip cookie dough. Check out. Getting prices in total. How about ASAP, because we're just almost across the street. We can tip right here if you want to. I'll give them the extra 92 cents and make it an even amount. Place your order. Location, be sure you got the right location here. Good Street, that's the one we're going to. Hold tight. Placing your order. There it is. Now all we got to do is check in and we'll be ready to go. Okay, we're here, so all we have to do now is check in. Click the check in button. Tell them what stall we're in. Number 10, it says 10. Hit the green arrow. And it says they're preparing your order with care and we'll let you know when it's ready. All right, comes my order right now.
Hi,
hello.
My name's Addison. You had a medium cookie dough?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else I can get for you today, sir?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Roll the window up because it gets a little bit noisy out here. Cars driving by and all. There's my receipt. Okay. And there it is. Sonic cookie dough. They gave me a spoon. Can't beat that. Get that spoon open. Again. There we go. Okay. Take that lid off the Sonic Blast. I'm not real happy with that thing. It's kind of hard to eat in and out of that, so I'm just going to put that right there. And I do need a napkin, so. Okay, let's see what we got here. Look at that. See that cookie dough on top of it there? That's pretty good. It's mixed in. It's got it on top too. Oh, that's good. Look at that. A lot of it on there too. So, let's try another bite. That is pretty good, isn't it? Have you ever eaten chocolate chip cookie dough? You know, before you cook it? Well, that's what this is. Sure is good, too. I think this is the last of the blast because I haven't tried that coffee one yet, so may have to try that before long. I'm not a big coffee drinker, so but we'll try it. Remember, Sonic uses real ice cream, and you can tell the difference here. If there's something here at Sonic, or maybe even Dairy Queen, if you'd like to see me try it, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you want to see. I'll be glad to try it, get it up here for you. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of these videos. Which of these blasts do you think is your favorite? I kind of like the peanut butter cup, Reese's peanut butter cup. Yep, I have to say that is good. See it right there? All right. I know you don't want to just sit there and watch me eat this, so I'll just say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any of our videos. We have a playlist called Sonic, have another playlist called Taste Test. You'll see all these up under those two playlists, so go check them out. Let me know which one you like the best. If you can, please help support this channel. You can send us things to video. We got people who send us baseball card packs and things like that. And we'll video them, get them up here for you. If you'd like to send a donation, check the description below. There's links to Patreon and PayPal, either one. And we will see you next time. Meantime, I'm going to eat the rest of this. Tough job. Somebody has to do it, though. Might as well be me since I'm here. It's good. I like their ice cream. I tried one of their hot fudge sundaes and one of their strawberry sundaes. Added bananas to them. I'm a big banana fan. You can add stuff like that. Okay, we're going to say goodbye and see you next time.